The arrival of a new family member is always a momentous occasion, filled with anticipation and wonder. One of the most common curiosities expectant parents share is, who will our child look like? Will they inherit their mother's eyes or their father's smile? This fascination stems from the fundamental principles of heredity, a field that explores how traits are passed from one generation to the next. The answers lie within the intricate world of genes, the basic units of inheritance. These microscopic segments of DNA hold the instructions that shape our physical characteristics. From the color of our hair to the shape of our noses, our genes act as a blueprint, guiding the development of our unique features. Each individual inherits half of their genetic material from their mother and half from their father. This means that a child receives a unique combination of genes from both parents, resulting in a blend of their traits. This intricate interplay of genes is what makes each individual genetically unique. The expression of these inherited traits is what we call our phenotype. It encompasses all our observable characteristics, from our physical appearance to our susceptibility to certain diseases. Our genotype, on the other hand, represents our complete genetic makeup, including genes that are not expressed or visible. Not all genes exert their influence with equal force. Some genes are dominant, meaning that their instructions take precedence over others. These dominant genes determine the expression of a trait, even if only one copy is inherited from a parent. For instance, brown eyes are a dominant trait, so a child inheriting a brown eye gene from one parent and a blue eye gene from the other will likely have brown eyes. Recessive genes, however, can only exert their influence if two copies are present, one from each parent. In the case of eye color, blue eyes are a recessive trait. This means that a child will only have blue eyes if they inherit the blue eye gene from both parents. While we often associate physical traits with inheritance, genes also play a significant role in shaping personality and behavior. Studies have shown that certain personality traits, such as temperament, extroversion, and even intelligence, have a genetic component. This means that just like physical characteristics, certain aspects of our personality can be passed down through generations. Interestingly, some traits are more likely to be inherited from the father. For example, freckles and attached earlobes are often passed down from fathers to their children. This phenomenon is due to the location of the genes responsible for these traits on the X and Y chromosomes, which determine sex. These are just a few examples of the fascinating and complex world of genetics. While we may not yet fully understand all the intricacies of inheritance, one thing is certain. Every child is a unique and extraordinary testament to the power of genetic diversity.